How to download and install WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download or install WhatsApp on your mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the Play Store app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the search bar and simply search for WhatsApp. And once you search for it, here you can see the official WhatsApp. So simply tap on that. And here, as you can see, I have already installed the WhatsApp on my mobile. But if you haven't installed yet, you can see the install button right beside here. So simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, the installation process will start. So simply wait for some time, and once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can download and install WhatsApp on your mobile device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.